We'll guide you through how to import sample packs, drum kits and more in FL Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now, the first thing that you need to do is enable browser. So just click on the browser icon just like so, and it will be successfully enabled. Now just go to the Alt tab, and once that you have done that, the first thing that you need to do is download your drum kit or sample pack from a trusted website. So just go to any browser to your liking and just download the pack from your trusted website. In my case, I'm using Cymatics. So let's say I want to go with this particular drum kit. So I'll just click on free download and just wait for the download to complete. And once that the download is complete, just go to the folder, and now you will see your compressed file. So just go to your drive and create a new folder. So let's say I want to create a folder named as tutorial. And after renaming, I'll just go inside the folder and copy the path by pressing Ctrl C on my keyboard and go to the downloads and just click on the compressed file and click on extract all, and just change the path to the one that I copied by pressing Ctrl V and clicking on extract. And just wait for the extraction to complete. And once it has been successfully extracted, you can just go inside the folder and you can view your different packs. And now that we have extracted it, just go to FL Studio, and in the FL Studio, just go to the option at the top labeled as options. From here, select the fourth settings, which is file settings, and you will land in this pop-up. So now basically just click on the folder and make sure the folder is empty, and just click on the folder icon just like so, and basically select your folder, which in my case was in local.txt, and the folder name was tutorial. So I'll just locate my tutorial folder just like so, and after selecting, just click on select folder, and after that you can just go ahead and close this window. Now in the browser, you can just scroll down and search for your folder, which in my case is tutorial. So I'll just search for tutorial, and as you can see, here it is. I can just click on it to expand and click on the expand for the folder, and you will see different drum kits that I have downloaded. You can just drag it just like so, and it will appear immediately. And now you can drag and drop different sound directly into your channel rack or playlist. If you want to stay organized, you can also create a main folder like drum kits and place all your sample packs inside of it. Then just add one main folder into the file settings instead of adding each kit separately. And that's it. You can repeat this same process for any number of sample packs or drum kits you download. Just extract and add the folder in file settings, and it will always appear inside of FL Studio, ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.